Hi, this week's project is a custom 3D printed helmet based on a 3D scan of my head. For anybody that likes to do sports or any outdoor activities, you probably have a bunch of helmets. I have a stack sitting on my shelf for every activity I like to do. I also kind of hate each one. My head is big and weirdly shaped, so no helmet ever fits well on my head. I wanted to make a helmet that fits perfectly onto my head and uses as little material as possible. I first started with a 3D scan of my giant noggin. I didn't have any fancy equipment other than my iPad, so I used that to get a rough scan using Polycam. Then, I used this mesh model to start building a more usable model in Fusion 360. My first prints were just quick models to make sure everything fit properly. I wanted proper airflow through the helmet, so I modeled in holes for air to go in and flow out. Anyways, here's the prototype that came out in the end. It's really cool that it just hugs my skull and doesn't slip out even without chin straps. It's super comfy. It also feels like it can take a lot more impact since all the force is spread through the entire surface area of the skull versus just the small padded areas of a normal helmet. Here's the rendering to show what it looked like as a final product.